Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to unbox some real littles of handmade real littles, and they are DIY. I made this blind bags to unbox for you. So let's unbox them. So first we're going to start from smallest to biggest. So this is a legendary thing, and this is medium size. They're both medium size, large, medium, and small. So first we're going to unbox small. Now let's unbox small. So let's cut it. And first let's read it. Real littles, you will get a mini. You will get one. Epic, rare, common. So let's open it. What is this? IDK, what is this? Oh, come on, why? So let's see, what is it? Rare? We got rare. So let's unbox it. Wait a minute, what is this? We got homemade pencils. Look, these are pencils. Let me show you. Homemade pencils. DIY pencils. Oh, we got some mini pencils. Red, green, yellow, blue, and light green. So we got some pencils. So I'm going to put it over here. Let's unbox the medium one. We are going to unbox the medium one, and in the other video we are going to unbox these two. This is the legendary and this is the rare. So alright, so this is real littles. Find many things. You will get ultra rare, common, and limited edition. It is a journal edition. Just let's check this checklist. We're going to check it in the last. So let's see what we're going to get. So first we got Unicorn, BDS, Melody, Chromie, Avengers, and Blackpink. I want the BTS. So done. And let's unbox it. And it's a journal edition, so we're going to journal and it's stuff. Cool. So we'll cut it. Cut it off, snippy snip snip. Alright. Blue means for ultra rare, red means for rare, and yellow means for common. You get blue, huge, and yellow, and common, and ultra rare, and we got rare, only one. So let's unbox the common one first. First, let me put this pencil aside. Here's one pencil. Let me put it aside, a little bit aside. And let me put the trash aside. Where is the rare? Here it is. And where is the common? Here it is. Here is the common. So let's cut it first. Let's see what we're going to get inside. It's kind of purplish. Cut off. Let's see. Oh, it thinks washi tape. We got washi tape. It's so cool. Let me put it aside. And now for the rare. And now I'm not going to use scissors because it's very small. I think I will cut the inside too. So I'm going to snippy snip cut snip. Nah. A little bit waiting. And a little bit waiting. Oh, we got beat. What the hell? We got BTS. BTS scale. Now time for ultra rare. So here is the blue. I'm gonna unbox the little one first. Alright. Yeah, got it. And what is this? We got BTS stickers. We got BTS stickers. We can't believe it. We got BTS stickers. What is this? Alright. You get BTS names, but hooray. And these are BTS names. V, Jin, Jimin, Suga, J-Hope, RM. And we got, what is this? BTS, and what is this? Ice cream and green gorilla says. You don't know about it? Green gorilla says it's the best thing in BTS. You should watch it. And here's some stickers we got. And now for the largest. I can't believe it. Can't waiting. Alright, unboxing. Oh my OMG, it takes a little very big. We got BTS journal. BTS journal. Do you know about the BTS song? Smells like butter under criminal undercover. So we got stickers and a scale. So we got so many things, and we also got some pencils. I think they can match with the BTS. I think they can match with the BTS diary journal. And let's see the checklist. Where is the checklist? Got it. So we got BTS. I love BTS. So we're gonna take it. Comment what you wanted. So we got these journals and stickers, and the checklist we got BTS. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and comment for these two blind bags. And bye.